still putting some finishing touches on this new property that we have on Raftelis, but I'll give you a sneak peek and we'll walk through it and we'll go from there. We come into the foyer with the stairs to this side. Nice hall closet. Powder room. Very good sized powder room. I like the extra window that's here as you come in. It really brings a lot of nice light to the house. Today it's rainy and kind of yucky, but generally speaking, it's nice and bright. This is the living room. It's fresh paint, new carpet throughout the house. This is the dining room. And then this goes into the kitchen. Kitchen was done a few years ago. Gas appliances. This is a little of an older style, but let me tell you, the owners loved it. That's your appliance caddy. Really pretty maple cabinets. Double sink. You've got the pull out here for your sponges and such. You've got a pull out here for your trash. Got a second oven over here, and then just a huge, huge pantry area. So just lots and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of storage space. That's the door going to the basement. We'll go down there last. This is the eat-in part of the kitchen. Got a nice, real pretty bay window. This is the family room off of the kitchen. Got a ceiling fan. It is a wood-burning fireplace. This leads out to a Trex deck, or Trex-like deck, and a really nice fenced-in backyard. This is the laundry room. It's off of the kitchen area, and it's huge. Again, lots and lots of storage, a place to hang clothes, plenty of cabinets. Got the 2-car garage. Extra storage in the garage. It's a good sized 2-car garage. We'll go upstairs now. That was Steven. He's helping us do a few little odds and ends here at the house. This is the master bedroom. Master bath. Has a walk-in closet. Master bath was done a few years ago. Nice shower. There's a second closet over here, and the original design allowed this to be a nursery on the bedroom next to us. So I'll show you that when we get to the other side. Just the hallway leading to the other 3 bedrooms and the full bath. So this is that room that could be the nursery. We've got a pass-through into the master bedroom. And then it does have its own closet too. Again, fresh paint, new carpet up here. Here's the hall bath. It's done a few years ago also. A nice seat in the shower. Behind the doors, kind of a nice little linen area. This bedroom is in the front of the house and really nice and bright. And a nice big closet here. This is bedroom number 4, which is a pretty good sized bedroom. We'll have measurements on the listing. Those are being done shortly. We'll go back downstairs and we'll look at the basement and we'll be done. This is the basement. Again, fresh paint. It's a nice big basement. Owners actually had a gas line run right here for future, if you wanted to put some sort of gas fireplace down here. This room could be an office, a den, a playroom, just storage. Just in a closet. Just kind of nice. And then this is the full bath. Nice tile, extra storage, nice vanity. And then there is some extra storage back here in the utility room. Again, cabinets, which is nice. Little laundry sink, slop sink. And then the utilities. So, I'm not a videographer. I'm a realtor, but I hope you enjoyed getting a quick look at this property. Thanks, bye.